know it's been a while. I basically was on like a semi-dedicated route going from Minnesota, taking concrete drums down to Arizona, and then taking chassis back up and back and forth, back and forth. I didn't record because there's only so much of the same thing that makes sense to record, you know what I mean? But now that it's finally not downpouring rain, we finally got our truck washed. With that said, go check out 4 State Trucks and get their master detail kit, their Vendetta master detail kit. I use their tire shine, and it gives it a nice natural shine to the tire, and it's really easy to put on and spread out, and it doesn't fling. And then I also use their detail spray, and it makes the paint almost, it feels like you put wax on it, honestly. But it's done a great job. I'll probably do it again because I ran it through a little bit of rain, so I'll try to get it on video here. But let's get back on track. So, also, with 4 State Trucks, you can get 10% off by using Josh10 at checkout. You can go to Joplin, you can go online, you can use their app. Just make sure you use Josh10 on everything that is at regular price. It does not apply to anything on sale. So back to our program. What I have on right now are 2 older Mack CH613 day cabs. Picked them up just south of Minneapolis. They look like manual 10 speeds. I loaded them up. I'll try to get you a detail securement of how I did it. They had a dock to get it onto the trailer, and then I used a ramp to back the. Basically, what I did was I backed one day cab up onto the top of the deck using my ramps, and then I just nosed the other one on. They're definitely old school. They are torsion spring bar, and yeah, it was a little sketchy loading it in the rain, which is another reason why I didn't get any video. It was downpouring rain the whole time I was doing it. And then from there, the nuts and the bolts on the mirrors were so rusty they would not budge. So I couldn't get them to fold. I couldn't get the exhaust stacks off. They were over 14 foot tall, and I was not about to do that. So they cut those off. And then I ended up going back to the yard, and they have power tools. And so they got 2 of the mirrors to fold, and 2 of the bolts broke. So they put the mirrors in the cab. They're not broken, they just need new bolts for them. So, but that made it so we're not wide and we're legal height. What else? Oh, and then I've been doing split sleeper bursts. Man, the people that do that, I don't envy you. That was rough. I just needed to get down far enough where I could basically get to delivery for Monday to do a 34-hour reset. So I did splits to get caught up. But like I said, man, I'm not used to that, and that killed me. But I got my first 10-hour break last night in like 4 days or 3 days, something like that. At least it felt like 3 days. Yeah, right now we're on the US 69 in Oklahoma. We're going to be in Dallas probably in another 2 hours or so. And then we'll take, I think it's either 69 all the way down, or you take the 45. I think it's the 45. So, and then we're going to stay south of Houston there. and set ourselves up for Monday early morning delivery to Freeport, and we'll probably get a load straight out of that port. We'll see. Who knows? But yeah, so in a nutshell, that's what I've been doing the last couple weeks. Just running back and forth with chassis and the concrete drums that you've all seen me haul multiple times. It was kind of nice. I was home every weekend. It was really rare, and I definitely didn't take it for granted. So, but I'll catch you guys all in a bit, and I'm just gonna keep on rolling. All right, guys. Those who have followed me for a while know that I like to take care of my equipment. Well, I got a different trailer, and the guy that had it did not take care of it as well as I did. You can see these tires. I just put my old ones back on, but they haven't been touched. So, our good friends at 4 State Trucks gave us this metal polish, and then you can see I didn't do the face yet, but I did the barrel, and it came out perfect. So you can get yours online or in Joplin at the store, and get 10% off using Josh10. Go get you some. All right, guys, we're here at the port. This last truck right here is dead, of course. So they're moving the platforms around. So now I'm waiting for someone to come and jump me, and yeah, now we gotta go up to Wake Up. So we're still here. We had a good 34 there in Angleton. Polished everything up. So I'll catch you guys all here in a little bit.